We are talking about training effectively when we are rehearsing. Every studio, every company always has like their own policies. Ours, we've allowed for having a couple of absences throughout rehearsals because we understand that things are going on in your life. But we also have had mandatory days. And the reason for this is again, we understand things are happening in your life, but the mandatory days have always been the days that we require everyone to be there so we don't have to be repeating things. Everyone can work as a team and be on the same page without anybody missing. And when it comes down to training for this is super important. When you rehearse, you need to make sure that you are training your body to work with others. There are different lines that need to be seen, the big picture with everybody in place. If you're lifting, you cannot be missing lots of rehearsal if you're lifting because you can injure yourself, you can injure the person that you're lifting. That's not advantageous for anyone. So rehearsals are super important because that is where you're just doing a different type of training. And in general, they really shouldn't be missed just at all. That is your time to be able to have a full understanding of what is expected of you for your performance. I hope this helps and to keep it in mind for the future when shows are underway again. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about 2-day delay and other challenge days. I will see you then.